Welcome to the flavors of Japan. Taste the culture, that's the plan. Every dish has a story to tell. Learn the names, say them well.
Ramen ga suki desu.
Ramen ga suki desu.
I like ramen hot and true. Noodles swimming in the broth for you. Ramen warms the soul. Japanese comfort in a bowl. Sushi ga suki desu. I like sushi fresh and clean. Rice and fish, the best you've seen. Sushi art on a plate. Japanese treasure, truly great. I ga suki desu. I ga suki desu. I like, that's how you say. Talk about food the Japanese way. Suki desu, suki desu, suki desu. Share what you love every day. Japanese food, flavor so bright. Learn the words, get it right. From ramen to sushi tonight. Japanese cuisine, pure delight. Natto ga suki desu. I like natto, sticky treat. Fermented soybeans can't be beat. Natto, controversial food, but healthy choice sets the mood. Tempura ga suki desu. I like tempura, crispy, gold fried. Perfection, truth be told. Tempura, light and fine. Japanese cooking at its prime. Let me teach you something new. Ga suki desu. I like it's true. Ga mari suki janai desu. I don't really like express your view. Ga suki desu. I really love show your passion. Japanese food, latest fashion. Onigiri ga suki desu. I like rice balls, simple joy. Perfect snack for girl or boy. Onigiri triangle shape, Japanese lunch, no escape. Karē rice ga suki desu. I like curry rice, spicy blend. Japanese comfort, my dear friend. Karē rice so divine, makes you feel just fine. Yakitori ga suki desu. I like grilled chicken on a stick. Savory flavor does the trick. Yakitori at the stand, Japanese street food so grand. Udon ga suki desu. I like udon thick and warm. Noodles perfect in any form. Udon in the soup, Japanese noodles in the groove. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ramen, sushi, natto, tempura. So many foods to discover. Onigiri, Karē, yakitori, udon. One taste and you want another. Ga suki desu. Say it proud, Japanese food singing loud from the mountains to the sea. Japanese cuisine sets you free. Someone asks you face to face, "Nani ga suki desu ka?" What do you like? State your case, answer with a happy heart. Ramen ga suki desu, that's the start. Demo natto ga amari suki janai desu. But I don't really like natto, play your part. Don't forget the sweet side too. Mochi ga suki desu. I like mochi, chewy through and through. Mochi soft and sweet, Japanese dessert can't be beat. Daifuku ga daisuki desu. I really love Daifuku, filled with joy. Sweet red bean, oh boy, oh boy. Japanese food is more than taste. It's culture, love, and never waste. Gochiso sama deshita. Gochiso sama deshita. Thank you for the meal from the heart. Suki desu, say it clear. Japanese food throughout the year. Ramen, sushi, tempura, mochi. So many flavors to approach. Nani ga suki desu ka? Ask and share. Japanese cuisine everywhere. From Tokyo streets to your hometown. Japanese food will never let you down. Now you know the food and words fly away like hungry birds. Oishi, delicious, that's the key. Japanese food vocabulary. Ah, ga suki desu. Remember this phrase, use it now in all your days. Japanese cuisine, world renowned. In these words, joy is found. Let's eat together, fading with satisfied sound.